Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be both for the United States and for the Philippines. We're going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by either giving this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback, or you can leave it in the comments. And of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from this, please share with them, because we all want to just work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead, though, is from the company Teachable. Now, you may have heard of Teachable before. It is a platform where others can create courses and things like that to sell. A lot of your favorite YouTubers may have Teachable courses on different topics. Teachable has 67 reviews from current and past employees on Glassdoor with a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a product support associate. Now, one thing to note about this job before we get into it is that I have two different pages here. The first page linked is for remote for the United States, and this is going to be a full-time W-2 job. The second page is remote for the Philippines. It is still a product support associate, but they are doing a contract position. The only difference between these two jobs is I know the one for the United States lists pay. The one for the Philippines, I don't see where it lists pay, so pay may be different just depending. But Teachable is that online platform, so they're looking for somebody to do customer service through answering emails and then answering those website live chats that come in. Teachable is a no-code platform for creators who want to build a more impactful business through courses, coaching, downloadable content, and community. So these creators sign up to use this software system. So you are going to be doing the customer service for those creators by providing them solutions to any issues that they come across, and worked as a go-between between the internal teams and the customers. So this is going to be a work from home position based in the United States. And of course, the one in the Philippines is a work from home position based in the Philippines. But they are looking for somebody to just provide that world-class customer experience efficiently and enthusiastically delivering solutions to these creators and empowering them to get more out of using the Teachable platform. So you're going to have to become an expert on the functionality and capabilities of this Teachable platform, which is an online software. Stay up to date on the evolving product offerings, and you'll help drive those business goals by consistently meeting and exceeding individual and team KPIs. So they're not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They do want somebody who's 2 years providing high volume email and live chat support, preferably in a software as a service or software as a solution platform, but that part is not required. You'll have to have great written and verbal communication skills, great emotional intelligence, so you're going to have to be able to understand what the customer is saying versus what they mean, and you need to have a curiosity of learning and be able to work in that fast-paced environment. Now, as far as for the United States go, they are open 365 days a year from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so you're going to have flexibility. You might have to work some evenings, weekends, and holidays, and pay for this position is anywhere from $23 an hour up to $25.50 an hour. Now, the same requirements are for the Philippines, but again, they don't state any pay. Again, you do have to be flexible, though, in the hours that you can work. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.